How to not reverse a photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're here, go to Camera. This is the Camera Settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, scroll down to the Composition section. And then, turn on the Mirror Front Camera feature as shown. This setting ensures that front-facing photos appear as you see them in the viewfinder, matching the image in a mirror rather than flipping it. This will now stop all the photos you take on your phone to stop flipping. Following these steps, you can easily not reverse a photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.